my name is Shaaanelle with the 3 A's here on YouTube, 1A in real life, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Vlogmas Day 17 is just going to be a quick segment, a quick cutout of my other day. So I'm actually currently in Vlogmas Day 16, but I'm filming this right now because I really need to catch up on Vlogmas, and in an effort to do that, there are some things that I wanted to talk about in my other just day-to-day vlog videos, but I decided to make them separate segments so I can catch up on Vlogmas and catch all the way up to the day that it actually is, which is like, it's day 20 right now. So so yes, day 17 Vlogmas segment 1 is Christmas movies you didn't know were Christmas movies. Okay, so Christmas movies that either you didn't know were Christmas movies, you don't think of them as Christmas movies, or you don't like to consider them Christmas movies in a Christmas category. Number 1, Harry Potter movies. Okay, so everybody always normally thinks that Harry Potter movies are like Halloween movies, and we always watch them around Halloween. But I think one of the things that people fail to notice is that every single Harry Potter movie has a Christmas segment in it. There's always Christmas in there. It's never like they always do Halloween and that's repetitive. There's always a Christmas segment in it. And one of the other things that I've been noticing is that even though Harry Potter does come out around the Halloween season, it also always comes back around the Christmas time. And it plays on like, what are those little networks like Fox or Sci-Fi, where they'll play the whole movie and they'll do the whole series, things like that. And then HBO Plus will also bring them back. So let's see, the first Harry Potter movie Christmas scene is the one where Hermione goes into the cafeteria or the Great Hall, and she's telling Harry and Ron that y'all need to look up Nicholas Flamel. They also get the Christmas presents. Harry gets his first Christmas present, so he gets the invisible cloak for Christmas. So that is the first one. In the second movie, Chamber of Secrets, the Christmas scene is the one where they kind of go with their plan of turning into Crabbe and Goyle, taking the Polyjuice Potion for the first time. That is the second one where the Christmas scene is prominent. The third movie's Christmas scene, it's not really a Christmas scene. It kind of is, but it's when they go into Hogsmeade Village and they basically run into these Christmas carolers. They're like singing Christmas songs, and then that's when Harry finds out that his godfather is Sirius Black. In the fourth movie, The Goblet of Fire, that one is the Yule Ball. So that Christmas scene is the Yule Ball. It's held on Christmas Eve. If you see the extended version of the movie where Snape is outside busting some kids in carriages and stuff like that, you can see that it's snowing out. But yes, the Yule Ball is held on Christmas Eve. So that's the fourth movie. The fifth movie, which is The Order of the Phoenix, has its Christmas scene at Grimmauld Place. It's Sirius Black's house, where the Order of the Phoenix kind of their little hideout is. But there's also a Christmas scene where Harry gets his kiss under the mistletoe with Cho. I think her name is Cho. Yeah, with her. So in the sixth movie, in the Half-Blood Prince, I can't find it. Like, I can't find the Christmas scene, but I know there is a part in there where Professor Slughorn has like a little Christmas party or something like that. And yes, they're invited to that. The sixth movie's Christmas scene, they mention Christmas a little bit throughout the sixth movie, but the Christmas scene is actually at the Weasley's house. And that's when they talk about using the unbreakable vow and stuff like that, and Voldemort's little plans and schemes. The Christmas scene in movie 7 part 1 is when Harry and Ron show up on Christmas Eve in Godric's Hollow. I want to say it's called Godric's Hollow, where Harry's parents are from, and they visit his parents' grave, and Hermione puts like a little Christmas wreath. And then in part 2, I don't recall there being like an actual Christmas scene. I could be wrong, but in part 2, I want to say the Christmas scene is when they show up in Hogsmeade in the village, and it's snowing, and Dumbledore's brother brings them in. It's snowing during that time. I'm pretty sure that's around Christmas time as well. But yes, that wraps it up for the Harry Potter part. Now, the next Christmas movie that you probably don't think are Christmas movies, but are Iron Man 3. Iron Man 3 is all around the holiday season. I remember I ran into this one on accident because it was during the Christmas time last year, and for some reason I was like, dang, I really want to watch a Marvel movie, but I could not like figure out which one I wanted to watch because we watched them so many times. Like, we've watched them over and over again, but I was like, I do not know which one I want to watch. Iron Man is one of the Marvel series that we happen to not watch as frequently as all the other ones, such as like Thor and stuff like that. We just don't watch Iron Man as frequently. So I ended up turning on Iron Man 3 and boom, Christmas movie. I was like, this is perfect. So yes, Iron Man 3 is a Christmas movie. It's during Christmas time, pretty much throughout the entire movie. He shows up at that kid's house. I don't know where he's in Michigan or Iowa. I don't know where the hell he ended up. But he ended up at that kid's house and everything. And it's just a really good movie for Christmas if you're not looking for like a Christmas movie, but something that's just surrounded by the Christmas holiday. The next one, Chronicles of Narnia. I know you like, what? Okay, so for Chronicles of Narnia actually has a part in the movie where Santa Claus comes back, because if you watch the movie and you recall, there is a part where they mention how there's no holidays anymore. At least I know it was in the books for sure, but I'm pretty sure it was in the movie. But they mention how it's just always snowing and it's always cold, but there's no holidays. Like, the witch took away the holiday season. And when Aslan does his little roar and things start coming back and spring starts coming back, Santa Claus actually shows up because they hide under this little ditch thing. And Santa Claus actually shows up and he's like, got some presents for y'all. What did he give them? He gave like them. Lucy got like some potion. Somebody got a dagger. I think Susan got a dagger. Homeboy got a sword. I was like, why is Santa Claus giving out these Christmas? This is not real Christmassy, but okay, I get it. But yes, so Santa Claus did make an appearance. He did make an appearance in the Chronicles of Narnia. And the last one that I have on my list, I'm pretty sure there are a lot of other ones out there, but the last one that I have on my list is Friday After Next. Because again, that's one of those movies where it's not really technically a Christmas movie, but it's surrounded by the entire Christmas season. Tree, Santa Claus, stealing their presents and stuff, all out of Craig and Day Day's apartment. So, and then, I don't know, you just have the whole thing and then the Christmas party at the end. So yes, those are my Christmas movies that aren't really Christmas movies, but are Christmas movies. So hopefully you guys will be able to enjoy them this Christmas season with your families. If not, just watch the traditional ones. It don't bother me. But just giving you guys some options. So that is the end of Vlogmas Day 17, segment 1, where I kind of just break out and do a little breakout session with you guys, just so that I can catch up and also so that you guys have something to watch. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next segment, which is going to be Vlogmas Day 18. That segment is going to be Christmas gifts.